Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay araw na Wednesday. Ito po yung araw na ito-turn over na po yung bagong building namin. Yung ating pads at saka yung mga kasamahan namin. Ayan, so sila. Habang naghahintay po, upo lang muna kami. Pagkatapos ay dyan, nagsimulan na po yung mga kasamahan namin na i-ready na yung mga garland. Ayan, kasi darating na po, dumating na po pala dito si SDS natin na walang iba, si Superintendent Miguel Pililan Jr. At kasama niya dito si Ma'am Neng Saropia na aming District Supervisor po. Yan po sila, nagayos pa ng sapatos, liston ng sapatos si Sir Miguel Pililan at sinalubong din ito ni Engineer Lintungan, si Ma'am Neng Saropia at saka si Sir Filialan Jr. Ayan. Here we go. Nag-talk sila ng sandali. At sabay naman binigyan ng garland ni Ma'am Nakano at si Ma'am Plong. Ayan. At nagkamustahan po sila po dyan. Ang ginawa ko po dito ay nagbibideo lang po ako sa kanila. At saka habang hinihintay po, nagmamasid pa muna dito yung ating mga bossing natin sa Department of Education. Ayan po. Here we go. Pagkatapos nito ay pinuntahan naman natin sa kabilang panig o sa kabilang area yung mga kasama natin. Tuwang-tuwa po sila kasi na dumating na po yung ama ng ating syudad sa Department of Education. Ayan, sinalubong din po ni engineer na galing po yan sa DPWH. Hindi ko lang po nakuha yung pangalan niya. Ayan po, nag-usap sila dito patungkol dito sa bagong building po. Ayan. Pagkatapos, yung mga kasamahan po iba dyan, lumilingon na kung sino pa yung dumating na mga bisita. At hindi po nagpahuli dito sa attendance natin ang ating pinaka-active PTA official na walang iba, si Pastor. Yan po, kalimutan ko na po yung pangalan ni Pastor, PTA official pa rin namin dito. Okay, ayan na po siya, nandun po siya sa likod, kinausap ko yung mga kasamahan namin. There we go. At ito habang naghintay po tayo ng mga bisita po, lumapit po yung bisita namin. Ayan. Okay. At bumati po din ako sa kanya kanina. Sige lang. At ito naman, habang hinihintay natin ay nag-group photoshoot kami. Kasi ito lang po yung namin time na makasama ang ating ama na division superintendent sa Department of Education ng Pinapangin City. Ayan, tuloy napag-group kami photoshoot dito sa bagong building po. Ang dami po mga katulog po ni superintendent dyan. May waki pa, may opa pa, may mga version pa ng ibang bansa dyan. Okay? Yan po yung version ng matatag natin. Ayan, lahat kami ay matatag sa bagong simulain at bagong adikain ng ating edukasyon. Alright. Ayan po. Okay, na dumating na rin po yung ating opisyalis ng PTA. Ayan. Si Sergio Molo. Okay. Tapos, ayun. Tinawayan niya po yung ating mga kapwa-guro po dyan. Ayan. Samantalang, dito naman, dumating na naman din yung ama ng ating punong barangay na walang iba, si Kapitan Morgan Yes, at saka nagpipiyal sa mga engineering dyan at saka Sir Gamono. Usapan nila basta ayun, siguro ikinuwento ng engineer Lintungan kung ano pa yung ganap dito sa atin. Okay? Ayan po, at saka umikot na naman ako dito kung ano ganap na naman dito. Alright. So, ang dami po nangyayari dito dito. Samantalang wala pa po si congressman na inihintay natin dito. Nakaikot ang ating ama ng Pinakawan City. Ayan, tinignan po yung palikuran at saka ini-assess niya po yung mga classrooms natin at saka yung ICT rooms natin. At saka dito, tinignan niya rin po yung yung tangke dyan. There we go. Nandun sa taas po yung water tank natin dyan. At saka tinanong niya po ako dito kung gumagana pa dyan. Hindi ako nakasagot dito kasi hindi ko pa po nagamit yung mga pusi dito. Ayan, tapos
Wala pa po sir, wala pa po namin nakita na concern. Yes po. Opo sir.
Ang sagot ko dito
Opo,
ay
sir.
tatanungin pa yung mga engineers. Pero nasagot po yan ng
Opo, ma'am.
natin po, ng mga engineers natin. There we go. Bumaba na po tayo dito. Kasama po yung ating ama ng division ng Pinapawan. Patuloy po tayo. Sinusubaybayan po sila kung saan po sila pupunta. There we go. At saka dito, nag-gusto ko naman sila dito kung ano pa yung mga dapat pong gawin sa school po ito. Okay. So ayan, dito ako pumwesto sa harapan nila para sa ganoon ay clear natin makuha ng video yung mga boss nila. Ayan. Siguro dito ay marami pang mga plano at mga desisyon yung ating ama ng desisyon. Okay, sinagigyan ng po siya. Ilang po yung ibang mga sinigyan kasi at saka dyan, nag-usap na naman silang ulit dito together with the kapitan punong barangay natin dito sa Barangay Manunon. Ayan, naman pala kung ano pinag-uusapan nila dyan. Pinag-marami yung natin mga diskusan dito sa council natin. Siguro kung ano yung ganap pa sa ngayong araw nito. Ito po sila architect at kapitan. At yun hindi na nagpaligo-ligo
We would
pa.
like to acknowledge the presence
Dumating na po si
of our
Congressman.
Congressman of the 2nd District of North Cotabato, Honorable Ronnie S. Calondan. Good morning, Kong.
Yung
Thank you for being with us today.
kameraman ko dito. Ang dami nila pong dumating dito sa Manungon Central Elementary School. Ayan,
We would like to
ang Garland.
request everyone to please settle down, for in a moment we are going to start our program.
Correct. Pagkatapos niyan ay silbing pinaupo na po ni Ma'am Neng Suruka yung aming
Schools Division Supervisor, Ma'am Manuela M. Surupia, Engineer Chloe Audan, Architect Arcturus Diaz, Engineer Eliseo Otto from DPWH 2nd District, LGU Manongol, headed by Honorable Morgan A. Melodias, our assistant to the principal, Rubigen, Engineer Seth Lintungan, to the LGU of Manongol, together with also our PT officials, teacher. Congratulations, Manongol Central Elementary School for this two-story building with 8 classrooms.
Acceptance na po yan ito turn over ng ating building. Pagkatapos niyan ay magsasalita po dito ang ating congressman. Okay?
And for the 6 SONA that I had attended, that was the most uploaded SONA that I've heard, specifically when President Marcos stands up doon sa West Philippine Sea na issue natin. Na sinasabi niya, hindi natin ibibigay ang West Philippine Sea, teritoryo ng Pilipinas yan, and we will fight for its ownership. Of course, through diplomatic way. And yung pangalawa, yung pag-phase out ng Pogo. For all we know, Pogo had really created problem in our country. While sinasabi nila, created siya, pero ang totoo, yung mga trabahante ng mga Pogo, galing ng China. Kaya kung doon ka sa Manila, makikita mo doon sa area ng SM, puro mga insik na nilane dito, puro mga insik na lakaw-lakaw, mga empleyado o mga pugo. And that was, pugo is the source of scammers, online beating, sugal, even kanang maltrato sa atong mga kababainan. So that was the most applauded SONA statement that President Marcos had expressed during the SONA. But what makes me happy nga nadungog nato nga ang priority karon sa atong presidente mao ang edukasyon. No? In fact, sa mga teachers, he really emphasize na miskin pag-unsa kadaghan ang modalities nga atong buhaton, no? Para sa kayuhan sa atong mga kabataan, over and above, the most foundation yun sa edukasyon is the teachers. Kaya love pala kayo masyado ng ating presidente, mga teachers. That's the very reason why nakita nyo, mayroon na naman tayong increase ng mga salary, no? Sisimula na, di ba? And even the construction of buildings, hopefully yun ang priority natin by next year, because our national budget had tremendously increased from 5.7 trillion to more than 6 trillion for 2024 at 2025. So expectedly, 2 weeks after the SONA, the President will now submit our national budget to Congress 2 weeks after. So we are expecting that by first week of August, our national expenditure program will already reach Congress, because Congress will now start deliberating the different programs, projects, and activities of the different agencies of the national government. So in the next 2 months, ang trabaho po ng ating ng Congress is to evaluate, dissect, and situate that every centavo incorporated in the national general appropriations for 2025 is really for the benefit of the Filipino people. So, but that was the good news for us, specifically in the education sector. More so that we have now a very new secretary, a veteran in education. His father has been a secretary of DepEd, and in fact, even Senator Angara has been the chairman of the Committee on Education for so many years in Congress. So, meron tayong napakagaling na secretary sa DepEd. But what is important, ang national government natin ngayon tinututukan ang education sector natin. So today, the Banungol Central Elementary School will be receiving another project from our government, no? And may this building be a sanctuary of good governance in the field of education. Too much is expected in us, specifically in molding our youth become a productive Filipino in the future. So on our part, tayo na sa gobyerno, ibigay rin natin ang ating party, of course, with the collaboration of our teachers and the local government units. As far as local government units, I do believe that the provincial government under the leadership of Governor Lala, the city government under the leadership of Mayor Pau, even our barangay government is so very supportive in all our endeavors. So yan ang napakaganda ngayon dahil nagkakaisa lahat, no? Nagtutulong-tulungan. Hindi yung DepEd, bahala ka sa buhay mo, kundi ang DepEd ngayon is part of our trust, specifically in the local government unit. So rest assured, as your representative, that whatever opportunities na makukuha natin sa national government, yan rin ang tutukan ko because ito ang trabaho rin ng congressman, no? Specifically during budget deliberations, we see to it that tinitingnan namin palagi anong meron para sa distrito namin, di ba? So kaya nga itong in the next 2 months bawal ang mag-absent sa Kongreso because this is the only time where we could bargain also, no? As a representative of District 2. Hopefully, just like last year, of all the legislative district in Soc-Sargent area, we got the highest pie, no? Yung ibang mga legislative district, tag 2 billion lang, 3 billion lang. Tayo sa second district or last year, in terms of infrastructure, we got around 5 point more than billion. So hopefully, na-maintain natin yan. Ay nakikita nyo naman, no? Kung gaano kapaspas ngayon ang development natin in terms of infrastructure. Try to visit, papunta ka ng Arakan, lusot ka ng Davao, wow, napakaganda ng daan, no? Even makikita nyo ngayon mga national roads natin, 4 lanes, 6 lanes, napay pakapin ng mga suga, no? And ganun ka ngayon ang ating national government. Of course, ito mga programang to is being implemented by our partner agency, the DPWH. Andito si Engineer Otok, ang ating district engineer, palakpakan natin. So Sir Pinilan, rest assured na I will always be at your side. Kung ano man ang may tulong, ang tulong ng lingkod. Kasi alam nyo, laking teacher rin ako. My mother is also a teacher, a retired teacher. Same with my father. So yung father ko, nagdito lang ng pagtiteaching dahil 7 kami magkakapatid. Kung hindi naguminto ng pagtiteacher, siguro walang mga doktor ng mga kapatid ko, no? Kaya lalo sa mga teacher, naiintindihan ko ang buhay ninyo. Just like you, before I become a politician, 26 years rin ako naging career. No, budget officer ako ng bayan na makilala before I became a mayor for 9 years. Tapos naka 6 years na sa Congress, assured na ako ng 280 na monthly pension. Because member of Congress is the highest officer of the land. President, Vice President, and Congress. When you say Congress, the lower house, the upper house. Yung lower house, yung kami, ang upper house, yung mga senador natin. But as far as level is concerned, parehas lang kami ng level. We are part of the Congress of the Republic of the Philippines. So, lisod kinabuhi na to, uy. Pagbutak taong 500, sakit matubo to sa highway na pautang ko. Pagkani kapon, isa katuwing ang buwan, pato na punta ito sa kiyos sa Basin Balag. Diba? Ako baba sa una, iyang chiki-chiki pa man to sila sa una. Chiki-chiki. Ay, nagatago. Ay, nagatago. Pwede paitang kinabuhi sa empleyado, no? But while inanakalisod ang atong kinabuhi, but ang kalipay mga especially in the education sector, na makikita natin ang tutunguhan ng mga sakripisyo natin, di ba? We are bound to produce productive Filipinos. And I know ang fulfillment ng happiness ng isang teacher that one day makikita nila, uy, pupil ko yung si mayor na yan, pupil ko yung si abogado na yan, di ba? Naging pupil ko yung si engineer na yan, di ba? Oh. And tingnan nyo, sa lahat ng profession, kahit sino pa yan, mayor pa yan, governor na, pag makita ka niya, di ba? Anong address pa rin niya sa'yo? Ma'am. Di ba? So, maulanay. Maulanay kalabi sa, no? Nung mayor na ko sa makilala, misking congressman na ko, makita na ko itong mga pupil sa iyang, mga pupil sa akong mama. Dili man ako yung kumusta yung mama? Saan naman di? So, at least, dili lang ako nalipay, kabalo ko kamo nalipay po sa pronouncement sa atong presidente. No? Atong giingon niya, the most foundation of all of these things in the education sector is the teachers. And that complements yung sinasabi nun na ang teachers are unsung heroes. No, it's not unsung heroes. Diba? They are the heroes of our land. And tingnan nyo kung wala mga teacher, unsa kay labas sa atong komunidad. Kahit kami sa Congress ngayon, ang problema natin itong overprotective ng mga parents natin.
Yes po.
Diba?
Over
Kita sa
kayo.
una, kusiun man ta sa atong kuwan, wala ta mga matay. Diba?
Tama.
Akong mama teacher, dito ko ka-eskwela siya ka-eskwelahan. Ang iyang ko teacher, kusiun po niya. Oh, pero unsay resulta? Naging discipline tayo. Kaya ngayon, how our teacher wishes to discipline our children, but because itong nangyayari ngayon sa palibot natin, ma-prevent tayo minsan. Kaya naman, pailan man tagkaso.
Maujud.
Ikaw pa ang kalaban sa kayuhan sa anak, no? Ikaw pa ang dautan. Yung sa psychological, yung sa may mutato, bahala kasi yung kinabuhi. Actually, sir, yan rin ang problema namin. Paano ba tayo makakrap ng batas na makatulong para sa implementar natin sa what is expected of us being teachers. And of course, for the parents to understand also. Lisod na mga bata karon.
Lisod na.
Muna to akong apo. 4th year high school na, hinatod. Buha ko kasi sa una, first year, kami inasubo namin sa among amahan, magpalit og haluan sa palengke. O na, pag naasa ko na kwarta, alit dito haluan, ayaw pag-ubadlain tao, ha? Diba? Dito ta. So, congratulations sa atong tanan, no? And we continue helping our district supervisor, our superintendent, of course, sa ating principal, and let's work together with the local government of Manuhol. Andito naman si Kapitan. Huwag kapag pangayo, kabalo na siya. Kaya, no? Indat lang. Kasabot na si Kapitan. Diba? And, of course, dito kami. No, kung ano man ang pwede pa namin may tulong. In fact, Sir Pinyalan already provided us the list, no, of the projects na kailangan natin. In fact, even my hometown sa Makilala na tamaan ng lindol, hanggang ngayon wala pa rin mga allocation. So with the pronouncement of President, we do expect that more buildings will be coming by 2025. Ha? So, na itong expectation. But siyempre, kinibang ko mga handog ni, it will just come provided ang atong revenue nga gasulod wapo po. That's why sa mga teachers, please help us, no? Tabangan po nato siguro part siguro sa maging curriculum natin na paano ba natin mapaintindi sa mga parents the importance of paying their taxes, no? And isang bagay siguro during enrollment, hindi naman napirsahan na kailangan may sidula ka. But siguro hanapan lang natin ng sidula para maging way of life na ng ng mga tao na kailangan magkaroon sila ng sidula. That's why when I was mayor in Makilala, mayroon ako barangayan. No? Every month, pumapasok ko sa barangay. But before we implement programs and project activities in the local government unit, nagkikisali ako sa flag raising ng mga paaralan. No? Nagpapakilala ako sa mga bata. At the same time, I make use of the presence of the children na makatulong sa pagpangolekta ng mga taxes. So sabi ko, ito ang sidula. Ang sidula ay nagpapatunay na ang tatay mo ay isang tunay na Pilipino, isang taxpayer. So pag uwi niyo mamayang hapon, sabi ko sa kanya, sabihin niyo, sabi ni Mayor, tingnan ko daw kung may sidula ka. Kung wala kang sidula, sabi ko sa mga bata, sabihin nyo kay nanay, tatay, nakakahiya tayo, nanay, tatay. The government is providing us all the services that we needed. Binabantayan kami ng mga teachers namin na maging maganda ang buhay namin. Sidula na sidula, wala ka. Ulaw ka ayon na nanay, tatay. Nahingon ako sa mga bata, kung wala sila sidula, paghilak mo, dala sila dito sa barangay hall, pagkuha o sidula. Very effective. Very effective. Very effective. Di ba, no? So, masinpidi nyo na sundon para budaklo ang income na itong sidula, babay po'y problema, kay kita raw po'y mugasto. Diba? Pagayuon na itong balik kay Kapitan. So, sa atong tanan, congratulations. And hopefully, sabi ko na kanina, ito ay magiging sanctuaryo ng isang magandang pamamalakad ng ating gobyerno. Congratulations, mabuhay ang Manongol Central Elementary School.
Thank you so much, our very own Congressman of the 2nd District, Congressman Rudy S. Kawagdan. Indeed, we are truly blessed in your leadership, Kong.
Thanks to our strongest partner in the Department of Education in this area in Quezon City. Of course, we have Honorable Rudy S. Kawagdan. Sir, thank you so much for the many occasions that we have engaged with and submission of our request for funding our schools in the city division of Kidapawan. And we are very happy for this very beautiful edifice, this structure which represents the core of our love for the children. This 2-story, 8-classroom building today as we turn this over to the Department of Education. I am very happy, sir, to hear from your speech of your love for our Department of Education and looking into the future of our children. And it is mandatory on my part to really look into how we can be able to promote and educate them in terms of citizenship and responsibility for self, for family, and even the community. Again, this edifice is a representation of our continuing efforts to support education, because we do not want that anybody in the community will be left behind. In fact, as I look into our status of school building requirements, we have identified 137 TLS which were constructed during the earthquake way back in October of 2019. And if we have to turn this into a 2-story, 8-classroom building, then it is equivalent to more or less 10 of these 2-story building units. And we are very happy for the declaration of our President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos for his intention to really put forward his full support for the department, considering that in education, the heart of education really are the teachers. And thank you so much, our dear teachers. We hope that we'll take care of the building. We will take care of the facility that has been provided to us. We have already installed the lightings and the electric fans. The water system is ready to be connected to Nawasa, which can be used shortly. And of course, taking care that this building will last for many, many years, and this will be maximized for basic education. And true enough to what our good congressman had mentioned, we were given orders to release already your teaching allowance now, teacher's allowance.
Yes.
On July 29. So na-prepare na natin kung yung ating mga necessary documents. Alam ko yun ang ibig sabihin ng bonus ng picture natin kanina. Kasi meron tayong one heart for the children, merong agree tayo, meron ding tinatawag na bonus, no? And we are very happy for our government under the leadership of President Bongbong Marcos for looking into consideration the welfare of our children. I would like to thank, of course, our counterpart from the Department of Public Works and Highways, Engineer, the District Engineer Otok and Company, and of course, coming from the local community, Barangay Captain Morgan, and SGC, PTA, and of course, our teachers here, our principal. Let us make education work in the city of Kidapawan and under the leadership of the district head, Ma'am Ning, Soropia, and everyone. We will see to it that every part of our work will really be intended for the development, not only of the mental acuity of our children, but the heart as well as the skills which are necessary for the full development of an individual. My thanks also to Engineer Seth for seeing to it. No? This would be the first of the turning over of the building in my watch. The second will be in Lapan shortly, and we are very much happy that soon we'll have more of these buildings that will be erected in the city of Kidapawan. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat. Good morning.
Pagkatapos po ng speech ng ating superintendent ay nakasama namin sa ating
Yes po.
Yan ang aming principal na walang iba si Mama Ricky. Masaya-masaya po sa amin dahil sa napakasarap po munting salo-salo na aming pinagsalo-salo Pagkatapos kami po ay doon sa kabila po. Yan. Okay. Pagkatapos nito ay ayun. Pagkatapos na